Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Shalanas from Toli Chowki and I'm Family Doctor of Pharmacy, and I joined here as for learning spoken Arabic, and the Institute of Arabic Sciences provides courses such as spoken Arabic, Tafsir Quran Sharif and Tajweed. It takes courses for beginners and also non-Muslims who are interested in learning Arabic and even Urdu. The Mufti Asif Nadvi sir, Mufti Sayyid Muhammad Asif Nadvi Qasim sir has got very nice teaching skill. He has got a nice Islamic background and is keen in spreading Islam. Asif sir has got a very excellent background in Islam. His main aim is to spread Islam and even sharpen the Islamic skills of the Muslim students, beginners and even non-Muslims and child and even adults and even after the age of 70, which I found very interesting in this institute, which I found nowhere, that he supports even old who are unable to speak and who are very low in their speech, is contributing to learning Islam even in these days, which is very nice. I did not find any institute in the world like this. The best institute in Mehdipatnam, Arabic, spoken Arabic and even Tajweed Quran Sharif. MashaAllah, may the institute provide with barakah and more students join the institute to spread Islam and even learn Islam and Quran Sharif and Tafsir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.